hello. It's Canalico. So today we're gonna slide in this place to there, over there. I don't to Plaza. So you might have to watch this at the end. You gotta watch this at the end. No, it's like no. Ray, go on, go! Go! It's Robin. I don't know, it's Robin. It's Robin. And now I'm running with that thing fast. Yeah. Now I gotta walk. And I gotta... Bro.
I'm gonna see my adventures.
Yeah, you gotta...
There's 2 minute videos of me and my little bro. Let's go.
Let's go. His little bro is, by the way, it's named Ambin. It's Ambin. And we're gonna slide this over there. Hey, stop. There's dogs. Your dog's out. Wow, your dog's out. Yo. Yo, stop. Loki, bro. We should make a game. Loki, let's go. And we just stop, and I'm gonna go next. Give me this. Whoa. Why are your dogs out? Loki, bro, I'm faster than the...
I'm the fastest.
Bro. Loki, bro, I should hire you.
For what?
Video.
Okay, now it's done.
No. No. Yo, this guy's weird. Oh, that guy was weird. Because I just started record. And he's doing stuff. I don't know. And I just got back riding, and we're gonna see you at the top, and I'm gonna record. And everybody gotta like and subscribe before everybody
Skip
like
the
and
time.
Bro, I won't skip the time.
Okay, so guys, goodbye. And please leave a like and subscribe.
Yeah.